Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the menu that controls USB debugging. First, make sure your Realme C15 has at least 20% battery and is unlocked. Then go to Settings, open About Phone, and tap build number 7 times until you see a message that developer options are enabled. Once done, back out to Settings, find System or Additional Settings, and you will now see developer options listed. This step creates the control you need to toggle USB debugging off. Now you navigate directly to the setting to change. Open Settings, choose System or Additional Settings, and tap Developer Options. Scroll carefully to the debugging section where the USB debugging toggle lives. Make sure to read any warning on screen so you understand why it matters. The option allows ADB access to your phone. If the phone asks for screen lock confirmation or administrator permission to change the setting, enter your PIN or pattern. This ensures only you can modify Finally, turn USB debugging off by tapping the switch in Developer Options. You will see a confirmation dialog, confirm to disable it. Once toggled off, make sure to exit Settings and, if desired, restart the phone to ensure the change persists. To verify, connect a USB cable to a computer. The phone should no longer prompt for ADB authorization and will default to standard USB modes. Troubleshooting tip: if the toggle re-enables, revoke USB debugging authorizations and remove any ADB keys on the computer, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.